Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how are you? This time we'll be working on making new type of a crochet idea, and this will how we will cover the base of our class. For that we will just make a loop. Just follow the pattern. For making the magic circle, we will enter our hook and pick the thread from the second round. That's how we will make a slip knot. A magic round, and then we will make a single crochet pattern for 10 times. You know how to make single crochet pattern. That's how we will make single crochet pattern. Pick the thread and pass it from the magic circle, and then again pick the thread, pass it from the two of the loops. This was a single crochet pattern. We will make total of 10 single crochet. And one thing should be noted, that I am hiding the end of the thread in this single crochet pattern, so you must use the two of the thread while making your pattern during the magic circle, like you can see, because that's a very important step of our magic circle. That's why I will show you at the end, like you can see. That's how. Now we will just pick this end, and when we stretch it, our circle will just be very small of our size of interest, and then we will make a slip knot into the very first chain, and our first circle is now ready. And then we will make a chain and follow the same pattern like a single crochet pattern, but in each chain we will make two single crochet. Okay, like you can see, in one chain I have entered the hook and make a single crochet, and again in the same chain I will make a single crochet. Just see, I'm again making the single crochet in the same chain. So for that, in the first circle, or the in the base circle, I have made total of 10 single crochet pattern. So when we move toward the second round, there should be 20 single crochet pattern. So in the next there should be 30, 40, 50, and count in each round that if there is not 20, or if there is not 30 in the third row, or in the fourth row, if it's not 40, if it's more than 40, or if it's, for example, in the fourth row, if it's less than 40, that's mean you have done a mistake in the circle. So you must count in each round that there is a even number, like 10, first 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. Okay, our first circle is almost at the end. Crochet coaster ideas you can find on my channel as well. Well, those are for decor coaster, but this one is for as a glass mat. And now at the end of the circle we will again make a slip knot at the end of this circle, like you can see. That's how our second round looks like from both sides. And then again, now we will make two chains, because in the third row we will follow double crochet pattern. Okay, now I have made total of two chains, and then we will follow the double crochet pattern. And for that I will enter the hook in the first chain, and will make double crochet pattern in the first chain, okay, for one time. But in the second chain we will make two double crochet pattern. Okay, this was the first, and now in the same chain I will make the second double crochet pattern. Okay, in one chain we will make one double crochet pattern, and in the second chain we will make two double crochet pattern, like you can see. Now in the third chain we will make one double crochet pattern, like you can see. And now in the fourth chain I will make double crochet pattern for 2 times. Okay, again I will make one more double crochet pattern. Okay, you can see. So we will follow now this pattern until the end of this row. I hope you got my point. So in this round we will follow the same pattern. If you don't know how to make single crochet or the double crochet, or how to make triple crochet, or how to make the cross stitch pattern, you can just visit on my channel. That there is a lot more detailed video on these patterns. Actually these are the basic patterns. So as a beginner you must know these few patterns, then crocheting become very easy for you. So I think it's a stress releasing work. So I really love crochet. How do you see that, how the crochet work is? Please comment below in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Now you see, without skipping the video, I am making the next row, like the third row, and now at the end let's meet it again. I will catch you later, and we will follow the same step until this chain. Okay, now you can see at the end, this is our, let's count. Yes, now total of 28 chains these are, and now we will count two more, because this is our second chain and where we should make two of the double crochet pattern. So for that, now we will make the 30th one, and in the third row we have made total of 30 double crochet or pattern. Okay, now we will make a slip knot in the second chain of first pattern. Okay, that's how, like you can see, if we check, we still need one or two chains more. We have to increase one or two rows, and then I think this will best fit in our glass as a coaster. And now we will again follow the same pattern, but in the fourth row we will make in two chains, we will make single double crochet, but in the third chain now we will make double crochet pattern for 2 times. In the first two row, please remember, in the first two chains I have followed 1 time the double crochet pattern, but in the third chain I will make 2 times the double crochet pattern. Just see again, in the first chain again I have make one double crochet, and in the second again one double crochet, and in the third chain we will follow the double crochet pattern twice. Okay, same like this. If you want to increase the length of a coaster and you are in fifth row, then you will make the double crochet pattern in 3 times for one, in 3 chains for 1 time, and in the fourth chain you will increase, like in the fourth chain you will make double crochet pattern for 2 times. Same like this, we will increase the length of a double crochet pattern if you want to increase 6, 7, 8 or more. Okay, and now we will follow the same step until the end of this row. If you find any query regarding the video or regarding these steps, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will surely reply. There is another hint to check whether the number of pattern you are making in the row is equal to the row number. For example, if it's the third row and the pattern is even number like 30, according to the row, then the hint is that at the very last chain of that row you will make that specific pattern which you are following in the row for 2 times. For example, if it's the third row, in the second last chain you will make that specific pattern for 1 time, and in the very last chain you will make that specific pattern for 2 times. That's how you can count that your row is perfect. And at the end of the row, you all you need to make the the slip stitch. And now I am checking whether the size is correct or not, and I think if I increase one more chain this will give a clumsy look to our coaster, and and this will not best fit for our this class. So for that I think I should not increase more row, and now I will follow our unique pattern like I will make now total of 13 to 14 chains. Okay, exactly I have made 14 chains, and you can increase or decrease the length. It's up to your glass size, and now I will stitch it here, and now I will make a single crochet pattern here, like you can see I have made a single crochet pattern, and again now we will make 11 chains. Okay, because the length will be a bit decreased, so for that and now I will make total of 11 chains, and I will fix this end as well by making a slip knot, because at that end if we make a single crochet pattern then that will give a clumsy look. So for that now at this point we will make a slip knot. Okay, now here we will make a slip knot. Just check which chain best fits your pattern. Now I will make a slip knot, and then now I will just cut the end of it, this thread, and like you can see this is our unique style of a crochet coaster or the glass mat. And now I will just cut the end, and now I will use a needlework to hide the end of this now working thread. And now like here you can see I will hide this end. You don't need to hide the whole of a thread, like you can see the length is too long, so for that I will just hide it a bit, because we basically hide the end because we want to fix that end. For example, if we don't hide the end of a thread, then it might be possible that our coaster or our pattern will open up very soon. So for that we just fix the end, and now we will just fix the second end where we just started our crochet pattern. And now you can see our glass mat is ready. Let's check it how it looks in a glass. And now you can see it's look very fine and very unique. And if you like my pattern, please thumb up. Until next video, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.